Woke day. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. So you guys, I'm weak. What it do, Bands Gang? It's your girl Tay Bands in the building. You already know what it is, and if you don't know, now you know, you know. Welcome to my channel, y'all. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button to join the Bands Gang fam. We the best gang on YouTube. I keep saying that. Y'all, we are almost to 400 subscribers. Right now, I think we just hit 331 Bands Gang fam subscribers, okay? So yeah, like, be a part of the team. I'm gonna be really pushing content, like really pushing content. My goal is to get to 10K this year. You know, since it's 2021, we gotta set our goals and all of that. Speaking of goals, y'all, I'm bringing you guys a 2021 vision board video. Y'all, I made this little cute mini vision board. I think it's like super cute. It just has everything that I would like to accomplish this year. So on my vision board, it just has things like 2021 goals, just like little reminders to myself, like I am enough, mindset is everything, girl boss, just God, because without God, honestly, y'all, we can't do anything without him, literally, like seriously. 10K subscribers, that is our goal for this year, because like I said, I'm gonna be posting consistency. I have that on my vision board too. Dream car, G-Wagon, all black. Stop playing with me. Your girl Bands is gonna have that one day, okay? I'm gonna have it one day. So yeah, I just have like all the stuff that I love and just like little reminders on here to keep me motivated. I have it set up right next to, like, on my wall over here, right next to my bed, because I'm like, I want to put it somewhere where I can just look at it every single day. And it's like the perfect spot, y'all. Like, oh, I just love this vision board so much. And then the fact that it's in a frame, like, it's not going to get messed up. It's something that I can just look at. So yeah, y'all, like, I'm obsessed with it. I didn't want to make a really big one because honestly, I didn't know where to put it in my room. So I found the perfect spot for this one. And I just think it's the cutest thing, you guys. Like, look at that. Like, how could you not? Like, this is the cutest little vision board I've ever seen. If you guys want to see how I created my mini vision board, just keep watching. And don't forget to leave this video a like and comment down below. More video ideas, whatever you guys want to see on this channel, just leave it down below. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to teach y'all how to accomplish this mini vision board. This frame from Dollar Tree, and it matches my room because my room is black, white, and gold. So I definitely wanted to go with this. This is a 4x4 frame. I'm going to teach you guys how to get the perfect size for this size frame to make you guys vision boards and everything. So yeah, like, just keep watching for more information. Alright, y'all, so the first thing you guys want to do is type in an app called Bazaar. I highly recommend this app. I use it for everything, and this is how we're going to get our size for the template we want to use. Next, we're going to open up the Bazaar app, and we're going to go to custom size, and here we're going to type in 400 pixels by 400 pixels for a 4x4 frame. So now we're going to go into Pinterest, and you want to type in the aesthetic photos that you're looking for, any vision board ideas that you're looking for, and some stickers are going to pop up, little things that you want to put on your vision board. I chose the Mood CEO with a bunch of commas and zeros after it, and we're going to download the image to our camera roll to put on the vision board. So here's my vision board, guys, and we're going to go back to that image that we downloaded, the CEO image, And we're actually going to crop and cut to our liking so that it fits perfectly on the vision board. Now we're going to add in our own text. Alright you guys, so once your vision board is complete, we're going to print and cut. You want to print out at least 2 to 3 different sizes. So we're just going to play around with the sizes till we get the perfect fit. So as you guys can see, I'm just adjusting the vision board to my liking. Alright y'all, so this is how my vision board turned out. It's super cute, it's perfect, it looks really nice on the wall. It matches my whole little aesthetic that I have going on up here. I'm gonna read off what my vision board says. So it says body positivity, there's a music symbol because music is life. Consistency, it has a little melanin girl right here for like body goals because I really want to get into fitness this year. There's a heart that says I am enough that I created. I am successful, debt free. There's my dream car, y'all. All black G-Wagon. 2021 goals, of course, level up. This says I am black, woman, beautiful, magic, intelligent, resilient, love, innovative, powerful, influential, unapologetic. A little cap because I am starting school. I'm going for medical assistant, so definitely hoping for a successful year, which is why I have the A+, because I really want to do well in my classes. Let's see, love yourself first, manifest, mindset is everything, financial freedom, good things comes to those who hustle, move, CEO, girl boss, money sign, girl power, she's intelligent, and YouTube, of course. My goal is to get to 10K subscribers this year. I know that's like pushing it, but hey, go big or go home. You feel me? So yeah, I love my little mini vision board, y'all. Like, I am obsessed. You know what I'm saying? Whatever Nicki Minaj said.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like down below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to join the Bands Gang fam. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Pow.